Welcome to Learning Earnings with Roots Research. Today, we're going over NVDA. So if you look above me, I have some word bombing up here. We got revenue, gross margin, operating expenses, operating income, net income, diluted earnings per share. All of it looks pretty good over the quarter. Year over year, we're looking good. We got 61% up on the year, which is huge growth, especially for a company of this size. I don't think that'll be a huge surprise to anybody. The chip market has been going crazy. Here's what I thought was most important in this earnings. So actually, I think the most important part to take away from what happened with earnings in the call is the partnerships. So the ARM deal has fallen through, which was a huge catalyst when they first announced it. They're also going to have to add back, I think it's $1.3 billion into their Q1 2023 expenses because they wrote that off as an original down payment for the deal, which is now not happening. And the ARM deal would have made them much more of a dominant market force because they would have had like all the chip production. But there is some good news as well. They've signed a deal with Jaguar Land Rover to help develop automated cars, self-driving. That would really help their earnings because they actually fell almost 15% in their automotive sector year over year. So they haven't been doing great in that. So there's a lot of room for growth in that area. That's why I think that even though the earnings came out and they're down in the pre-market on the 17th of February today, I think this could be a buy the dip opportunity. They're a great company. They have huge growth year over year. A little bit of some mix up with the ARM merger falling through, but they're creating new partnerships with automotive companies. And I mean, we're going to continue to need chips for years. So actually, I don't think this earnings was as bad. I think perhaps the market was pricing in better earnings, even though they were pretty good. And just different mergers and deals falling through, even though it's a little bit of older news, aren't going to help make things any better. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Like and subscribe. Check out the details for other great places for more content and more content providers. Thank you. This has been Roots Research.